how to log in into 8 ball pool games with your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the 8 ball pool application. And once it is loaded, you will get to see this interface. Now you can either log in with Facebook or your MiniClip ID. Now to log in with your Facebook, tap on this login button that says login with Facebook. Now you have to select the account that you have logged into your device with the account that you would like to log into 8 ball pool games. Click on your account. Now if you are already logged into your account by providing your login information, then you will not be asked to enter your login information. But if you have not logged in into this device, then you might be asked to enter your login information such as your email or phone number and your password of your Facebook account. Simply type in your email or phone and then password of your Facebook account, then tap on login, then you will land on this interface. After you land on this interface, tap on continue as your Facebook account, and with that you will be logged into your 8 ball pool game with your Facebook account. And that's how you can log into 8 ball pool games with your Facebook account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.